Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Crayola Travel Kit is probably one of the most essential companions for families on the go, designed to keep kids entertained and creative during travel. This kit typically includes a variety of art supplies, such as crayons, markers, coloring pages, and stickers, all neatly packed in a portable case. It's a fantastic way to spark children's imaginations and provide a screen-free activity option, turning travel time into a fun and engaging experience. Number 5. Crayola Pip-Squeaks 65 CT Marker Set. This set includes 25 Pip-Squeaks washable markers and 40 sheets of paper, all in a durable art case. It's perfect for kids' creative projects, providing everything they need to get started. These mini markers are designed for kids. The smaller barrels fit comfortably in little hands, making them easier for younger children to use and control. These markers are washable, so they easily come off skin and most clothing. This makes cleanup stress-free for parents and teachers alike. Looking for a fun gift? This Crayola set is perfect for boys and girls. It's great for Christmas, Hanukkah, and other celebrations, bringing bright colors and smiles. These art supplies are ideal for kindergarten, preschool, and classroom projects. They're a must-have for any young artist. The compact art case makes it easy to take the supplies on the go. Kids can bring it anywhere, ensuring they always have something fun to do. Crayola markers are safe and non-toxic, ideal for kids ages 4 and up. You can feel confident letting them explore their creativity. What we like? This set features mini markers, perfect for little hands. The markers are washable, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a mess-free and portable art set for your kids, this is a great choice. It's ideal for keeping them entertained on the go. What people say. This travel kit is perfect for keeping kids entertained on the go. The compact design makes it easy to pack and carry. It includes a variety of art supplies, such as crayons, markers, and paper. Number 4. Crayola Create and Carry Art Set, 75 PCS. Introducing the Crayola Create and Carry Art Kit. This set is packed with a variety of Crayola art tools, offering endless creative possibilities for everyone. This art set functions as both a storage case and a lap desk. It's easy to organize and use the art supplies anywhere. Looking for a fun and creative gift? This Crayola set is perfect for boys and girls. It brings bright colors and big smiles to the holiday season. Inside, you'll find 16 construction paper crayons, 8 washable Gel FX markers, and 8 classic fine line markers. It provides vibrant and versatile coloring options. This kit is designed for crafting, drawing, and coloring. It is a great choice for kids and adults alike. What we like? This art kit doubles as a lap desk and a carrying case. It includes a variety of crayons and markers, offering versatility. If you want a comprehensive art set that's easy to use anywhere, this is perfect. It's great for kids who love to create and need a convenient workspace. What people say. These are great for long car rides as well as plane rides. The case is very durable and we dropped it. Nothing fell out or opened, which was pretty cool. Has storage sections for crayons, pencils and markers. Makes a great lap desk. Number 3. EZDesk Travel Activity Kit. Introducing the EZDesk Travel Activity Kit. This kit is designed to keep kids creative and entertained on the go. It's perfect for travel and various fun activities. The innovative laptop-style design makes it easy for little artists to work effortlessly. It's also great for kids who want to feel like grown-ups. When not in use, everything stores neatly in the sturdy polyester canvas zip-close carry case. It features easy-view mesh pockets and zipper pockets, providing ample space for all the supplies. Equipped with an easy-to-carry handle, this kit is highly portable. Kids can work on art projects or homework anywhere. Take it to the park, car, flight, or school. This kit includes washable markers, pencils, glue sticks, an eraser, scissors, paper sheets, and coloring book pages. It has everything they need to get creative. What we like? The kit has a laptop-style design, making your kids feel like grown-ups. It comes with an easy-to-carry handle and ample storage. If your kids love to do art projects or homework anywhere, this is a great choice. It's a fun and functional travel activity kit. What people say. This is a great travel kit for kids. It has everything you need to keep your kids entertained on the go. The kit includes crayons, markers, paper, and stickers. Number 2. Crayola Color Wonder Mess-Free Coloring Kit. Introducing the Crayola Color Wonder Kit. This amazing set sparks creativity without the mess. It's perfect for young artists and makes coloring fun and easy. These special markers only work on Color Wonder paper. That means no marks on skin, clothes, or furniture. It's a parent's dream come true. See colorless marks transform into vibrant colors. The kit includes animal-themed and blank pages, providing endless coloring possibilities for kids. Customize artwork with 4 sheets of color and stickers. These stickers add a unique touch to every art piece, making it even more special. Take the fun anywhere with the travel-friendly carrying case. This kit is perfect for keeping kids entertained during travel or on the go. This mess-free coloring kit is the perfect gift for toddlers and kids aged 3 and up. The art supplies are safe and non-toxic, ensuring peace of mind. What we like. This kit features mess-free markers that only work on special paper. It includes Color Wonder pages and stickers. If you have toddlers or young children, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for keeping them entertained without the worry of stains. What people say. The mess-free Color Wonder system means the ink only appears on the special paper, not on walls, furniture, or clothing, which gives parents peace of mind. The colors are bright and vibrant on the Color Wonder paper, and the markers dry quickly without smudging. The markers only work on the special Color Wonder pages, so I don't have to worry about surprise artwork on my walls. Number 1. Crayola Color and Erase Drawing Board. This is the Crayola Color and Erase Drawing Board. It's a travel coloring kit designed for kids. It's perfect for young artists to explore their creativity. The kit includes a dual-sided reusable coloring board, markers, and a white cloth. It has everything your child needs to start drawing and coloring right away. With this unique tool, your child has infinite creative possibilities. They can draw, color, and erase, again and again. The markers are washable, so they easily wipe clean from the board. They also wash off skin and clothing, making it parent-friendly. The included carrying case makes it easy to take the drawing board on the go. It's a great travel coloring activity for kids. This coloring set makes a great gift for boys and girls. It's ideal for kids ages 3 and up, providing hours of creative fun. The product is safe and non-toxic, designed with kids in mind. It's a great way to encourage creativity in a safe environment. What we like. It features a color and erase board, allowing for endless creativity. The markers are washable and the board is reusable. If you like a simple and eco-friendly art set, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love to draw and want a travel-friendly option. What people say. This travel kit is perfect for keeping kids entertained on the go. The compact design makes it easy to pack and carry. The included art supplies are high quality and provide hours of creative fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.